6.
Okay. What are you getting ready to do here?
About to shoot
What
my
you
Glock 22.
Which target?
I'm gonna hit the guy at the top right. Hopefully it goes well for him.
All right, do it. What do you think?